Hey guys! Today I'm going to be showing you how to create a double exposure effect in Photoshop. Now double exposures are traditionally created by exposing a film twice in two different photos. Portrait images and landscapes are often blended and merged together. And so you see, I've made my own version, and now I'm gonna show you how you can make your own. First up, open your portrait image in Photoshop. Try to choose an image with a cleaner white background. Firstly, we need to separate the subject and the background. We do this using channels. Select the channel with the most contrast and duplicate it by dragging it to the new icon. Select Image, then Adjustments, then Levels, and then darken the image by moving the midtones and shadow sliders right, going as far as you can without expanding the black outline too much. Then select the brush tool with a hard tip and black fill. Use it to paint over any highlights that still remain in the center. Return your image back to normal by clicking on the RGB channel layer, then Command and click the duplicated channel to load the selection. Then click Select and then click Inverse. Go back to the Layers panel and make sure that the background is selected. Then copy and paste the clipping onto a new layer. Fill the original background layer in with white. Now paste your landscape image into the document and move it to the top of the layer stack. Command and click the thumbnail of the portrait layer and apply a layer mask to clip the landscape image. Unlink the mask with the layer. To scale and position the image independently, select the landscape layer thumbnail and go to Edit, then Transform, then find the best composition. Duplicate the original portrait layer by clicking it and pressing Command+J. Move it to the top of the layers track. To change the image to black and white, go to Image, then Adjustments, then Desaturate. Then change the blending mode to Multiply. Apply a layer mask to this layer and select a large soft brush with black fill. Paint around the edges of the portrait to erase away everything except the facial features. Press X to switch the colors between white and black and toggle between erasing and restoring the image to find the perfect result. Reduce the opacity of the portrait layer to around 70% so the features are just subtly visible through the landscape. Deselect the mask and use the eyedropper to choose a color from the image. Then brighten it up by adjusting the color picker. Fill the background layer with this color. paste in another copy of the landscape image. Move it to the top of the layer stack, then go to the filter, blur, then Gaussian blur, and alter the radius to 250 pixels. Apply a layer mask, then erase away this layer so the portrait can be seen again, leaving a vintage style effect around the edges. Reduce the opacity of this layer so it is hardly visible, but it produces some subtle changes in tone. Finish off the effect by applying a levels adjustment layer. The final result is a cool blend of two images . And voila! Your fresh double exposure effect is complete. And that's it. We're done. There you have it. Your very own double exposure edit. Hope you have fun finding more images to play with. Until then, see you next time.